Hi guys, this is Ishita and today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect wing liner within seconds using a masking tape. So let's get started. First of all, we need this masking tape. It's a masking tape which pretty much the doctors use. So you'll find it at any medical and a pair of scissors. I'm going to use a thin small brush towards the end, and we'll use a liner. I'm using a pen liner because a kajal is something which pretty much everyone has, but I would suggest that you can first get your hands on, practice with this first, and then move on to the sketch pen liner and then the liquid. And we need something like this. These are brushes, but you can use pencils, normal pen, anything. I'll tell you the use of it later. So now let's get started. I'm just gonna take a small portion from the tape, like that much, and then further divide it into half. Okay. So now the only thing you need to be careful is that you shouldn't touch the lower lash line, the hair on the lower lash line. So just be careful when you angle it. So basically now you need these two pens, pencils, anything, brush, you can use anything pretty much, some things which are similar in size. Now from the corner of the nose, we'll try and set our angles. Now you know we've got the angle same. If one of your brushes is going here and one is going here, like one is here and one is going down, or one is here and the other one is going down, you'll know that both the sides are different. But if you know that both the sides are, first get your pens right in place, and if your angles sit in the right place, like how mine are sitting, that means your angle is right. This technique that we're using is not only for liners. You can use this for really heavy Arabic smoky eyes where you want clean lines. I will be showing that look very soon, but today we'll start with the basic wing liner. So I'm using this Kohl pencil, it's by Colorbar. Always start with drawing a thin line and then go thicker. And never start from the right inner corner or the end, just from the center. Don't worry about it being too, clean or anything. You can clean it up later. See? Now we'll repeat the same step on the other side. So before I take out the tip, I would like to tell you, please keep a Q-tip handy, which is pretty much a earbud, so that if there are any lines which have gone haywire or you know, up and down, you want to rectify something, rather than taking a tissue paper or sponge or whatever, your Q-tip is your easy way out. It works like an eraser, so just keep that handy first. Now don't be scared, just go a little slowly and keep pressing the skin below. Similarly on this side. As you can see, we are done. I'll just clean up that line. And that's literally 2 minutes and our wing liner is ready. I'm just going to check it in a closer mirror and be right back. So as you can see, our wing liner has come out perfectly, and it literally took 2 minutes. Get your angle right when you're doing your masking tape, and go on with whatever medium you want to use. May it be a kajal pencil, may it be a sketch pen liner or liquid liner, anything that you prefer or you're comfortable using. And yeah, you're gonna get the perfect wing liner within seconds, and you're ready to go.